What's up, everybody? This is j.dioramas. Ooh, what a rush. Check it out, y'all. This channel's for adults only. Like, share, and subscribe. I want y'all to feel this out. Tell me how y'all actually feel with the progress that I've put out so far. This is the rebuild of this dream house of mine, whatever, that I'm still working on. I want to add some paintings on the wall and stuff like that. This is supposed to be the kitchen. It got me right there, of course. j.dioramas. My partner, my Zorgbot. Yellow Squad. So basically, got the furniture in here. I decided to glue everything down so stuff will stop rocking and shaking. I'm tired of picking things up, and sticky tack is not it. It just too showable. So I said I'll glue it down. It's like I can't make more furniture or buy more furniture or whatever. I like making furniture anyway. Got the arcades in there. Got a custom Fortnite figure in there just chilling. The chairs, the white chairs, they're removable. I don't want to glue those down, so I want to put them in different places. Like if you want to set up a different scene, someone's sitting down having a meeting. This chair is removable as well. It's a Dollar Tree joint. So is this table, Dollar Tree. Got this food tray from Hobby Lobby years ago. Yeah, so that's what I got so far, y'all. This is j.dioramas. I am out. For real. See, I just passed out. Peace.